Hi everybody, so in today's video I wanted to do like a affordable luxury haul. These have been trending on YouTube, more on the expensive luxury side, and I love the girls that do those type of video, but your girl isn't one of them. I wanted to give you guys a affordable version of a lot of the bags that the girlies been buying. And as far as luxury girls on YouTube or on TikTok or on Instagrams are concerned, have no problem with them. Love watching their content. Hope to be that type of girl one day. And I find that people that have problems with black women in luxury are either jealous or it stems from racism and classism. A lot of people feel like black women shouldn't be able to afford luxury item, or if they can afford luxury item and they show off those luxury items, they're not relatable and they're showing off or showing out for people, which I think is false. And I hope to see more black women living their life in luxury, whatever definition of luxury means to you. For me personally, these bags for me are my definition of luxury items. I feel like everybody is different as far as what they think luxury is, and I feel like everybody have luxury. It just depends on how you look at it. Your life can be luxury. Buying 2 candles from Bath and Body Works can be your luxury item. Buying candles from Forever Mood, from Jackie Aina's candle company, can be your example of luxury. Going on a solo date can be your example of luxury. Getting your nails done, getting your hair done can be your example of luxury. It just all depends on how you look at it and how you perceive it and perceive life. So the first bag, and I'll show you guys how they came packaged. If you guys watch my previous video before this, you'll definitely see me show this. I actually didn't show it in depth because I wanted to do a dedicated video for these 2 bags, but I will say they came in a regular brown box, which I appreciated, because if you're buying something that costs a little bit more money, you don't want like the logo and stuff on the box. So they came in a regular box. It came also with a card, and one of the bags came with a dust bag, which I'll show you guys later. It came wrapped in guest tissue paper, and it was very well packaged. I will say I wish both bags came in a duffel bag or have a duffel bag, but only one of them did. So that's that. And my first luxury bag, you can call it, is a Steve Madden bag that I bought last year, and I actually bought it from Ross. I think it cost like $430. It's the bag that I use every single day. I'll definitely insert a picture of it somewhere in this video or a video clip. It's the bag that I take with me everywhere. I take it traveling. I take it, it's actually my kids' diaper bag is what I majority use it as. It was super big and it looks super luxe and super nice. It has a regular strap and then it has a crossbody strap. It has like 2 large compartments and a front flap, which was one of the reasons I felt like it was worth the price point. And of course you're buying it from Ross, so it's significantly reduction of the price. I couldn't even imagine how much that bag would be if I was buying it from Steve Madden for the real price. So this would be like my second luxury bag, if you say you will. So this is how this one looks, and I need to actually go in my phone really quick and see what bag it's the dupe for, because I feel like this is a great, absolutely great dupe for the let me get it right, the Chanel lambskin quilted medium double flat bags. I'll put a picture in up here where how the Chanel would look compared to this. I feel like this is a great alternative. It looks pretty much the same, and if you don't want to get a bag that's like a dupe or a knockoff from like AliExpress or DHgate, you actually want a bag from a real designer, from a real company, I feel like this is a great alternative. It's definitely leather, and it has the, let me put it, it has the Guess symbol right here, or you can wear it as a long crossbody, or all you gotta do is you have two different ways you can wear it, and I feel like it's super duper versatile, and I like that. And I also like the metal detailing that they use. It makes the bag look a little bit more luxe than if they would use regular silver detailing. And it's actually not black, it's like a blackish charcoal, it's like a charcoal gray, I would say. So this is the black Sicily bag. It actually costs $128, and I got it on sale for $89. So I feel like I got a steal as far as this bag is concerned, and I feel like it's gonna go perfectly in my little collection that I'm trying to build of affordable luxury purses. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So if you're looking for a dupe for the Chanel lambskin double flat bag, and you don't want like a knockoff, and you don't want one from like DHgate or AliExpress or something, you want an actual bag that's from a designer, this is amazing, and I suggest you get it because it's affordable. And then this is the G Dream metallic shoulder bag in navy blue, and I got it for $75.60. The original price of this bag is $108, and the color is midnight. And this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a metallic blue. I have nothing in my collection that is this blue. It also comes with a crossbody strap, and they definitely have the charcoal blackish gray Guess detailing all over. They also have Guess embossed right in the front, which is what I love. And this is a dupe for the Dior saddle bag. Is the Dior saddle bag somewhere up here. I'll definitely insert the picture. And this is the Guess G Dream bag. As you can see, it's the same style, the same cut, everything, which is what I like, and which is why I think it's a dupe for the Dior saddle bag. This cost let me find it again, $108, and the original price is $108, and I got it for $75.60. I'm gonna see how much the Dior saddle bag is. And the Dior saddle bag can range you anywhere from $2,000 to about $5,000, depending on what color you get. So I feel like this is a great dupe for it. And if you want something that's in the shape, they have a whole bunch of colors that will definitely float your boat. This was my favorite because I have nothing in my collection like this shape or this color, which is why I picked it up. So that is my video on my 2 affordable luxury bags. These are the bags that I actually got myself for Christmas, and if you've seen my previous video, I'll link it below. I actually showed them briefly in that video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Comment what your favorite affordable luxury bag is in the comment section. I made a whole gift guide for 2021 of some of the bags that I want, and it was actually for me 2022 to keep me on track of actually buying stuff for me. And I have some more bags on the list, which I will definitely share with you guys once I get a hold of them. I've actually been trying to get my hands on a Telfar or a Brandon Blackwood. The Brandon Blackwood bag that I want, the color that I want is sold out, and I'm not an impulse buyer. Those 2 bags that I just showed you guys from Guess, I actually wanted them for a long time, and I want another bag from Guess, which I showed in my 2021 gift guide, which I will definitely get. But I want those bags from Brandon Blackwood and Telfar, but I want the color that I want it in. I don't just want to pick up any color. I want something that I can wear, something that's gonna look great in my closet. I can wear with all my clothing. So comment what your favorite affordable luxury bags are in the comment section, and I'll probably add some of them to my list, because your girl is all about self-care in 2022. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.